Another question we often get is, how can I save money on my insurance when I add my teenage driver to my policy? So let's talk about that. Every year in the United States, an average of 2,500 teenagers lose their lives in automobile accidents. Even though they account for less than 25% of the drivers on the highway, they're responsible for more than 30% of the accidents that occur. Because of this, insurance companies categorize teenage drivers as high risk. Therefore, they're going to charge more to insure them. You as a parent have several ways to save on your insurance, though. The first thing is, encourage your teenage driver to do well in school. Insurance companies offer discounts for students who have good grades and good attendance. They also offer discounts for students who have taken a driver training course. The second thing you can do is think about the type of vehicle you're going to put your teenage driver in. Try to have a vehicle in which you can cover them with liability coverage only. If you purchase them a new car and it requires comprehensive and collision coverage, you're going to end up paying more for the insurance every month than you will for the car payment. Try to stay with liability coverage only, at least for the few years until they get some experience. After a few years, the cost of the comprehensive and collision coverage will come down. The third thing you can do, if you do have to have comprehensive and collision coverage on their vehicle, consider raising your deductibles. This tells the insurance company that you as the parent are willing to absorb more of the financial burden in case they do have an accident. So, if you have a teenage driver, sit them down before you give them the keys to the car for the first time. Have a conversation about driver safety, the consequences of not being safe behind the wheel. Tell them the things that are acceptable to do while driving, and make sure they understand the things that are not acceptable to do.